welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing Nintendo Switch OLED. So I still have it in the plastic bag that I got when I bought it. So here is the box. And here is the Switch combo carry case. And also I have this game. Got it from the store in Norway called Applecat. I want to open this like not to rip it apart, but okay, let's continue. Okay, so here is the actual Switch. Here is the Switch. Joy consoles. For the ME cable. Oh my god, how do you do this? Okay, maybe you need to take... Okay, maybe I am one of the kind of person who needs to read the instructions. And this is the same one that is here, but with the strappy thingy. Two of those. Yeah. Okay, let's open this too. Let's have a look at this. Okay, that's pretty nice. So one of the reasons why I bought the Switch is because I'm spending way too much time on mobile gaming. So it's two protection glasses. One is for OLED and one is for the Nintendo Switch. Where is Norway? Okay, Norway is +1. We are in the same time zone as Casablanca, Brazzaville, Belgrade, Berlin, Rome, Zurich, Brussels. Okay, later. Okay, now we're getting somewhere.